I am Dolly, purchasing from Indonesia. Our company business is drilling service. Our company target to get a good business client so we can make more money, yes.
We are using drill pipes, drill bits, a lot of door hook equipment.
We don't manufacture. Australia and China,
Some from Canada.
America, from branch first, from reference from corporate, and then we can find it from online also. So far, okay. Sometimes I have a problem with English, communication problem. For product, I think all good. It depends on what you want to look for the pricing. So far, okay. Only maybe payment. Can we have a credit for 1 month? All is good, all good. Yeah. Service, all good. My original engine is from Canada, America. But after that, after we replace it from yours, so it's the same like yours already. Yeah.
Of course.
Of course.
Why not?
At that time, because you respond fastly, and then the engine was good to be used, and also the price is at that time was good. Service all good.
But like what Karen said before, there is no major issue that we can say until now. The one that we bought from IMAC. So I think until now there is no major issue. Yeah, that's a good thing.
As long as the price is good and stock available.
And maybe one day you can open your office or representative in Indonesia. So yeah, we can buy it locally. So.
Because import duty is everything is very expensive.
Because it's already been 10 years, more than 10 years. So we hope in the future IMAC can open a branch in Indonesia, so we can purchase it locally. So maybe cheaper and faster, or maybe you can move your manufacturing closer to Indonesia, maybe to Thailand or Singapore. So to special to support the customers in Indonesia, all right?
In the future, if you want, it's good to have a business with IMAC because they sell a good products and have a good service and easy to touch on the email and chat also. So whenever we have a problem, we can direct contact, and which is very helpful for us. And it's for past 10 years, that is what we still continue to using IMAC. Thank you.
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact COMAC at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.com-mac.com.